Good news from ECB. So interest rates are decreased first time in a while. So first of all, this is monetary easing beginning, and secondly, this means that European economy is actually healthier right now than in United States. There is less inflation, less inflation risks. So and therefore we see that also there is this quantitative easing, and also that might bring the boost to economy hopefully in the next coming months, and also hopefully this quantitative easing will continue also in autumn. So that is good sign also for all the credit takers. Actually then they will see less payments, less monthly payments for their loans, and so the interest payments will be lower. And just right now, as we see, also came out the initial jobless claims from the United States, and that came out red. That means the red means that actually this number is higher than expected, and higher than expected is actually means that there is some recession signs also in United States, and the higher than expected also means that basically there might be coming reductions in the interest rates also in United States, probably even in the June. So and therefore this is quite also the good for the all the stocks and crypto. Definitely that is the bullish sign, and definitely that is the sign that we will go out of this trend where we were trading with the Bitcoin for already a couple of months. So also this is important to listen. In 13 minutes already ECB press conference, I will definitely listen what Lagarde will tell us, but it looks like pretty optimistic right now. So and that's first of all what I would like to share with you right now. Secondly, I would like to go to our fund experience and our fund results. And so here we see that actually in the 90 days, actually not trading 90 days yet, but already in 54 days, we have made basically around 47% gain. Here it shows 35.5% because it calculates the percentage from the actual amount of money in account. Basically it calculates the gain. Okay, it shows the gain, which is basically USDY is the gain from the very beginning, and splits it to the whole amount of money in this moment basically. But actually your gain is actually the profit split to the basically initial portfolio when you started, right? So and if we divide it that way, then we get 47%. So and that is definitely a very good result for the 54 days of trading. And also risk management looks like it's pretty much okayish for the crypto, because crypto is like volatile asset, and that's normal to see those little pumps and dumps. So we have adjusted and learned a lot and backtested a lot in recent months to actually provide such a great tool right now. And in comparison to other assets, it have been just a lot better than any other asset you can mention in the recent 54 days. Basically, there was some 2% gain, I guess, for the Bitcoin. There was some approximately 9% gain for the Ethereum in this period. There was around zero performance for the indices like SP 500 and Hong Kong index. So, and also there was negative performance for the gold. Also, there was negative performance for the altcoins of, I think, in average around minus 20% for the altcoins. So, in that sense, that this performance is even better because we are trading only altcoins, mainly altcoins. So, altcoins went down 20% in average. Our fund went up 47%. So, that is something you have to take into account, how actually we are managing this portfolio. And that is absolutely insane result. If we can continue like this is definitely something to pay attention to and to invest in, because currently you can invest up to 1,000 euros in this fund because there is the limit right now. I would like to test it more a bit, to run it for the 100 days, and then the limit will be increased to 10,000 euros or 10,000 basically USD. So and that's the next step for this fund. If you want to invest even more than actually I mentioned right now, then there is option. You can also buy the knowledge, buy the code, and buy all this basically idea how it's actually working, and that costs around 2k for the knowledge and the code, and then you can invest also millions if you wish to. So, and secondly, also you can actually learn all the knowledge and how it's working by subscription based, with 100, starting from the 100 euros monthly. That option is also available. So that is what I wanted to tell you right now. Next thing I want to touch right now is actually also, just a moment. I think. Okay. I think I would like to touch the markets. Let's go to the chart, and here we see that there was this pump recently for the Bitcoin. It's currently trading at 71k, and looking forward to finally break out of the range. Let's see whether it can actually do so. That is the point right now, to break out of this region. And definitely it can happen if also United States decide to decrease interest rates surprisingly already in the June meeting. Then we will definitely see also this breakout to 80k levels for the Bitcoin, and also I think the altcoins will then run like crazy. So and that is what we see right now. We can definitely have still some pullback, but currently it looks like that there might not be any big pullbacks anymore. So we are on this level or region. We can probably test back down to 68 probably, but then still it's more likely to actually break finally out of this region than go down to 60k. So to go down to 60k right now, when there is quantitative easing already beginning, you have to have really something bad, some bad news happening. And I can see where those can come from. It can come from probably some war escalations, but there is not that many options right now. And I don't think so this is gonna be the scenario in next months or so. So therefore, I believe there is this next breakout pretty much quite near already. And if you are not in the market, then you are, I think, losing a lot. You cannot be 100% in the market right now, also, but you have to be in the market with some leveraged positions for sure if you really want to benefit from all the breakouts will happen in the markets in the next couple of months. So therefore, stay in touch, stay tuned, and let's get rich together.